Food Fishing Adventure Part 2. Ooh.
Cakes loose.
What? I don't want to dream. Oh, the eye. Oh, it's an Xmas tree. Xmas. A tree? How are you going to help me find foods? Have you ever been hit by a tree? No. Well, that's pretty painful. Oh. Oh, new hat. Oh, yeah, jackpot. $4.82. Wow. Farm.
You're gonna have to re-oil my door, aren't you?
Huh?
I have to re-oil my door.
Yeah. Sorry, that was just my grandma. Oh. Island 2. Can I edit the names? No. Police cap for that, just to hide the ear, the missing ear, yeah. Oh, more detergent. Let's see what happens this time. Hello. Whoa, another juice cleanse. That's right, I'm super healthy. But the last time I drank one of you, I lost an ear. You probably had a pre-existing condition. I hope you're right. But also, isn't that a red radioactive warning on you? Don't worry, that's just a decoration. It doesn't mean anything. Oh, okay. Anyways, drinking more juice will help your ear grow back. Say, gulp. Uh-oh, I'm getting the same feeling as last time. I miss my ears. I took them for granted for so many years. Look. Whee!
No.
Alright, so the next part won't be as long as the last one, which was like 12 or 13, probably even 14 minutes. But so, what's wrong? So many things. It's hard to be a lasagna. No, it's not. Did you know I used to be a lasagna too? No, you're just an imposter. Jeez, my life is ugly. Alright, so to make this part a little bit longer because I'm bored, I will Huh? 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 Anyway, bye.